Hello everyone, this is David Hodge with another quick tip from Reets Drying Academy. You happen to know what construction's fatal four is, and what the #1 occupational killer and #1 occupational injury is for pretty much the construction industry, which we fall under. It's going to be slips, trips, and falls. By the way, that's also the #1 most cited infraction under OSHA. So the issue is, do you wear proper foot protection? We work in water damaged environments all the time, so the potential for this to happen to us is highly likely. And our responsibility is to ensure that we're protecting our people. So, what is actually proper when you're selecting PPE, specifically foot protection for your employees? You got to remember, OSHA does not approve anything. So we have to look outside for things like ASTM methods, ANSI standards, could be some European test methods. But for us, we're going to be looking at potentially ASTM. Do you happen to know what the test method is for that? Right now, it's the ASTM F2413-18 and the F2412-18A. But did you know that there's ASTM methods for all your other pieces of PPE? Your goggles, your respiratory protection, your suits? Are you wearing the proper PPE? When you're wearing foot protection, you have to make sure that you have everything that you need for not only slips, trips, and falls, but for metatarsal protection, steel toes, electrical hazards. So remember, you don't want to be Snoop Dogging your way through all your water damage projects and be tripping. For more information about the proper test methods for your PPE, come see us again for our next quick tip.